Happy Monday. Oh, where did we start? It's been a while since I posted anything, but I have been doing some collecting. All the last week was pretty bare. There wasn't very much, and nobody was really restocking anything. Came across some G and H cases and had a super treasure hunt stolen from right beside me, but he's a good guy, so I'm okay with it. But anyways, over the weekend, I had some good finds, and I'll share them with you right now. We'll start off with some J case finds. There's the Corvette. That is not the Super. There was 4 cases. There was 3 of these, and the Super was missing. So I bet a Walmart employee took it. Anyways, still pretty cool. I'll add that to my collection. That's why I bought it. Next one's going to be the Ferrari. I'm sure everybody's already seen the Ferrari once before, so I got myself one of those. Did find the treasure hunt Nissan Leaf. Not the coolest car in the world, but it's okay. Anyways, there's the Nissan Leaf. Williams Racing is out. Everybody loves the F1 cars. So there's the top of it. Looks just like all the rest of them, just a different livery on it. But hey, people love them. And that's going to be it for JK's. On Saturday morning, on my way back, I'm like, oh, you know what? I'm going to stop in at O'Reilly's and see what they have, because they're always changing, and O'Reilly's is hard to get to because the employees take all the cars before we can get there. But I did find the one fast wagon that I wanted, and that's the Mercedes E36 AMG. It's probably one of the cooler castings out of the fast wagons, even though the Chevelle is pretty cool. And wouldn't mind finding the Chase. I've never found a premium Chase car yet, so I'm still on the hunt. Anyways, that's my find from O'Reilly's. Moving on. Let's see here. Oh, neon speeders were finally brought back to my Walmart. I found this one yesterday. I also got the pink RX-7, which I already had, but I got it for my wife because she likes her pink collection. If anybody wants to see her collection, let me know, and I'll have her do a video on that. Let me know in the comments. Over the weekend, I went to an antique shop called Lily Pad Toys in Tacoma, Washington. Really cool guy. He has about 10 to 20 bins of cars that he buys from everybody else, and I have come across some really cool stuff. We'll go over this one that I already have, but I wanted another one, and I'll do a open on this later on. It wasn't $3 though. I got them for 2 for $5, which was fine. And this is our 64 Impala. This one's just a really good looking car, and the lighting in here does not do it justice. But anyways, really cool cars. My second one, and I will most definitely open this one, and I'll do a video for that. Next one up is, I've gotten this one before, but in the reverse rake, and I couldn't pass it up so that it matches, and that's the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. And Momo livery. So another very cool car, for at least to me. Let's see here. I got a pair of 935 Porsches. And not a huge Porsche guy, but they're starting to grow on me a bit, and especially the pink one that's coming out later this year. Another 55 anniversary. This is the '67 Chevy C10. And again, another cool livery on that one. Love the gold on it. Gold interior. The bed is really cool. Yeah, so I'll add that one to my collection of Chevy trucks. And another cool series that I had come across, but I've only found 2 of the 8 cars, and those are the Honda series. We have the Honda Civic Si and the 90 Honda Civic EF, both in very cool liveries, not too fast and furious and overly stickered. Very cool. This one's been done a lot, and I think there's a white one and a gold one from last year. This one, I think, blue this year, and a handful of other colors over the years, but still, love the castings. Factory sealed 2019 cars. One is the Acura NSX Zamac. Very cool. Add that to my wall of Hondas. Chevy El Camino. And Ford Mustang Gulf livery. And I got some more Gulf liveries to show you, but this is the only one that I got that's in white. So that's pretty cool. Next is the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Can't go wrong with that. These Porsches are actually really cool. I got a couple more of them, but they're already on the wall. All right, on to the Gulf liveries. First one's going to be the Indy 500 Oval. I guess I could have took the price tags off before I did this, but anyways, doesn't matter. There's that one. Then we got a Porsche 356 Outlaw, or Porsche 356. Sorry to all you Porsche fanboys. Another Porsche 917. A 14 Mustang GT. Let's compare it to the white one. Yeah, so those are the 2 liveries, which are really cool. And actually, I didn't even realize what I got until I just now started this video. So those are pretty cool. And the last Gulf livery is going to be a 32 Ford. Another very cool car. And that's it for my Hot Wheel finds. I had a buddy of mine, or a friend of mine, send me a package. It's right there. Let's go ahead. We'll open that up. Now these 2 are the very first 2 of this collection. I've never gotten them before. Let me get rid of these peanuts here before they spill them everywhere. And pull those out of the box. These are 2 Toyota House. You have the R34 and the Chevy Silverado. Take my name off of them. That way you guys can see it. go. That's the Toyota House Mini GT Nissan Skyline GTR R34. And how about, let's open it up. That's very cool. There's the R34 inside of there. Oh, that is very clean. That's very cool. Let's set that right there. Let's open up the Silverado now. It's time for a new blade. I guess I'll give you a tour of the outside of the box real quick. Not much to show there. All right, let's pull it off. Oh, that's cool artwork on the side. Oh yeah, that's really cool. And there it is in all its glory in there. Oh yeah. Let's take her out. See if I can show this to you without dropping it. That is a very solid die cast right there. Oh, wow, look at that color. I didn't know it did that. Oh, that's very awesome. So there's that one. Oh, I didn't even notice that on the Skyline. It does the same thing. All right, those are those two cars. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 3,000. Once I do, I may decide to do a giveaway. Just don't know what it is yet.